TLM. So this is quite interesting because it's not only colorful and it is quite comprehensive also. So we have very beautifully drawn the shapes, okay, through the purview of vegetables. So we have here carrot, we have here brinjal, and we have tomato. So these are the vegetables, and through these vegetables we can teach them shapes. And now first let me tell you who are the target groups whom we will teach. We will teach to the children with special needs who are having low vision, and to the low vision students we can show this and help them, because we will make it definitely more bigger in size so that they can easily see and they can understand color also from here. They'll understand the shape, they will remember the name of the vegetables, they can identify the vegetables also very beautifully if this is for the low vision. And for those who are having locomotor disability, dwarfism, intellectual disability, autism, speech and language disability, for them also this will be very enriched. So now going to also the low vision for children who are completely blind. There are also children who are blind. For them it will be easy when they come close, or we will take this to them, they will touch. With the help of the touch, they will be able to understand the shape. They will be able to understand that this is a cylindrical shape. They will be able to understand this is circle. So quite we have made it comprehensive. Then for those who are having locomotor, who cannot come from their place, we can keep it at a height so that they can see from their respective places. And also for the children who are having dwarfism, those who are not very tall, they can sit in the first also and they can be able to see it well. And intellectual disability, there is a category called intellectual disability, autism. For those children who take a little long time, more time to understand, for them this is more important, because by seeing the vegetable which they see at home, they will be able to understand the shape. So those who are having autism and intellectual mindset disability, so for them it is more comprehensive. At last, speech and language disability. So those who have speech and language problem, we can use this. Can you see a carrot? Is it a carrot? What is the shape of the carrot? From the shape of the carrot, we can easily able to find out the shape, mathematical shapes. And this will help children with cognitive disability, emotional disability, social disability, physical health also. Thank you so much.